Hello guys, good morning. So ngayon ay mag-open tayo ng birthday gift sa akin ni Mr.
Yes.
It's my 50th birthday. So meron siyang hinanda na gift.
Happy
Ayan.
50th. Mwah.
Thank you, sweetheart. Meron siyang card. Tapos, ito yung kanyang gift sa akin dalawa, guys. Oh. Thank you, sweetheart. What is this? I'm so excited. Ang bigat naman. Heavy.
Hello.
Guys, dalawa yung gift niya. Yan. So, ang birthday ko, ang actual birthday ko ay 16. What day?
16th on Wednesday.
Wednesday. So, may work ako. May out of town work si hubby. So, ginawa namin, celebrate namin ng mas early. Yeah. So, yesterday, we also celebrate my birthday with the family. So, meron akong flowers. Ayun, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. So, ngayon, bubuksan muna natin itong card ni hubby. Yan. Oh, wow! Yan, may card si hubby. Ayan. Sending birthday wishes to my lovely one. Oh, sweetheart, I love it. Ang ganda naman. To my dear Flora, you are such a special person to me. Eh? Thank you, my love. The love and support you give to me every day is special and loving. I love you, sweetheart. Wishing a very happy 50th birthday. All my love, hubby. I love ya. I love ya. Guys, ang ganda ng card ni hubby. Ayan, oh. Yeah, thank you, my love. And then now, it's about time to open the gift.
This one first.
Oh, okay. This one first then. Okay. What is this? Why it's so heavy? What is this? How to open it? My love, can you help me?
Open it.
Open it. Open. Yan. Tulungan niya akong mag-ano. Ang heavy naman. What is that?
Yeah.
What is this?
Unwrap it.
Huh?
Put the stuff back in there.
Bigat naman. What is this?
It's upside down, I'd say.
It's upside down. Wait, what is this?
Open it up.
Oh!
It is your own jewellery box.
My jewelry box.
That's the
Because,
front. That's the front.
you know what? My jewelry, I put it in the garapon, in the
Bottle.
bottle of gherkins.
Yes. So that's the front. You open it up.
My God, guys, look! This is a jewelry box, my love. Oh!
Told you I knew what you needed.
Because I love recycling, guys. So, ang bote ng alam mo yung gherkins, the small pickles.
Yes.
Yun, doon ko nilalagay yung watch ko, yung mga earrings ko. Oh, my love. Thank you so much. So love it. Oh, I love it.
Thank you.
Oh,
Told you
love
something
it.
you needed.
I know. That's why I don't expect this because. And what is this one? Oh, may another one. What is this?
It's a travel jewellery box.
And then again, travel jewelry box.
So when you go home,
Yeah.
you can put your earrings
Yeah.
and your watches in that one.
Yeah. No. This is good. This is nice. Oh, yeah. Tapos meron pang mirror.
So you have mirror. So you have two jewelry
Yeah.
boxes. One for when we're travelling,
Yeah.
and one for at home for your safe keeps.
Oh my goodness. I love it. Kasi yung mga relo ko, yung mga earrings ko, yung necklace ko, nakalagay talaga siya sa garapon, guys. Pakita ko nga sa inyo, dahil lang. So, ayan guys, I'm back. So, nakita nyo ba? Ito yung bote. See? Nakita nyo? May laman siya. Nandito yung my mother-in-law watch na binigay niya sa akin. Ayan, oh. Nandito lang yan siya sa, guys, sa garapon. So, yeah. And then my watch. Also, yeah, I put it here inside. So, maybe.
Now you got this. You can put your rings and you can put.
Yeah. Oh my God. Travel. So, I can bring this in the Philippines.
Yes.
It's travel.
It's a travel one.
Yeah. And this one is really, really heavy and good quality. My goodness, guys. So, wow. Thank you, my love. Oh, thank you so much, sweetheart.
Happy girl?
Happy girl.
Oh, good.
Mm.
Mwah.
And then, my, the gift from my, I think
yes.
this one is from,
Oh, it's from just from the family.
yeah, from family. Yan, ito. Ganda ng flower, no, guys. Tapos, meron pa itong, nakalagay pa yan, meron pa yung 50 kasi nag-celebrate ng 50 kahapon. So, ito yung flower. Ang ganda ng flower, sweetheart, no? Love it. And then, meron pa, another one from family. And then, this is from Carly, Leonie, and Jack, and the girls. It's a sunflower bag. Yan. And then, this one, sunflower mug, coffee mug. Tapos, ano pa, kay Chris and Leia,
Candles.
candles. It's a magnetic box. It teach me already how to open it because it's magnetic. I don't know now how to.
You want me to look at it?
Here.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah. It's a magnetic, guys. So, magnetic siya. Ayan, o, open mo siya, ganun.
Ah,
Tapos,
smell it.
ayan ang candles.
Beautiful.
Ayan. Yeah, so, you like it? Every
Yes.
different scent.
Aroma.
Yeah,
Yes.
aroma. Yeah, so, yeah, ganyan ang aking ano, guys. Simple 50th birthday. Kasi nga, ano sa actual is Wednesday pa, 16. So, we celebrate early. So, yun lang, guys. Update ko kayo ulit mamaya. Say bye-bye to the guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye! Love you all. Bye-bye.